Let's install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. Go to Google and type VS Code. Go ahead and click on the first link. This will take you to code.visualstudio.com. Click Download for Windows. After it's finished downloading, select Show in Folder. And then double-click to begin the installation. Go ahead and go through the installation process. This is where you can create a desktop icon. Now that Visual Studio has finished installing, you can open VS Code from your desktop. You're now ready to start using VS Code. Let's install Visual Studio Code for macOS Catalina. Go to Google and type VS Code. Click on the first link. This will take you to code.visualstudio.com. Click Download for Mac. After it's finished downloading, you can select Show in Finder. Double-click the file to extract it. Drag it to your applications. Open your applications. Drag the file down to your dock. And then open the file. And now you're ready to use VS Code. Let's install Visual Studio Code for Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Go to Google and type VS Code. Select the first link. This will take you to code.visualstudio.com. Click the .deb button. After the file's finished downloading, go ahead and keep the file. Then select Show in Folder. Right-click the file and select Open with Software Install. Click the Install button and then type in your password. After VS Code is installed, go to the Show Applications menu and type VS Code. Right-click on the Applications icon and select Add to Favorites. Go to the taskbar and open VS Code, and you're ready to use VS Code. Next, search for Live Server. This will be used as a local host that will allow us to run our code on our computer rather than an external server. Click Install. And now you have finished installing VS Code with Live Server.